Welcome to the Math School by Ifra. In this video, we are going to discuss O-Levels Maths May-June 2021 Paper 1. Okay. These are the instructions which are given. Try to read them on your own. We read the instructions in the previous paper. This paper, again, I'm going to tell you that this paper is total of 80 marks and you are not allowed to use a calculator during this test. Okay, I have given the solutions to this paper. Now work out 74.6. Let's move to question number 1. 74.6 into 10 minus 3.89 into 100. That is 746 minus 389. That is 357. Okay, 5 plus 3 into 2 minus 1. 5 plus 6 minus 1. 11 minus 1. That is 10. So 10 is the answer. Okay, here a couple of numbers are given over here. From the numbers above, write down a factor of 70. 14 is basically a factor of 70. A cube number, 125 is a cube number. An irrational number. An irrational number is a number that cannot be expressed in a fraction form. So under root 18 or square root 18 is basically an irrational number. Okay, work out 3 by 7 plus 2 by 5. So we take 35 as the LCM and in the numerator we have 15 plus 14, that is 29. So 29 over 35 is 3 by 7 plus 2 by 5 is 29 over 35. Okay, the part B is find 2 by 3 of 6 by 11, giving your answers as a fraction in its simplest form. So 2 by 3 into 6 by 11 is basically 12 by 33. And when we further simplify it, we get 4 by 11. So 4 by 11 is the answer. Okay, a record is kept of the water level in a harbor. One morning the level is 5 meters. That afternoon the level is minus 2 meters. Find the difference between the level in the morning and the level in the afternoon. So we find a difference, that is 5 minus minus 2, that is 5 plus 2, and that is 7. So the distance is 7 meters. One day the temperature at midday is 9 degrees Celsius. At midday, the temperature has dropped by 15.3 degrees Celsius. Find the temperature at midnight. So temperature at midnight is 9 minus 15.3, that is minus 6.3 degree Celsius. Okay, let's have a look at another question. This diagram is not drawn to scale. The diagram shows a quadrilateral ABCD with AD extended to E. Angle BCD is 135, angle BAD is 83, and angle CDE is 122. Find the value of x. Now if this is 122, so this is 180 minus 122, this is 58 degrees. So and the angle sum of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees, we know that. So x is equal to 360 minus 83 minus 58 minus 135, that is 84 degrees. Okay, write 308 as a product of its prime factors. 308 is written as 2 into 2 into 7 into 11. We do the prime factorization and this is what we get. Find the highest common factor of 308 and 66, that is 22. Okay, let's have a look at this question. This diagram is not drawn to scale. This is basically a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium where AB is 7 and CD is 10, DC is 10, and the area of ABCD is 85 centimeters square. The height is the perpendicular height of the trapezium is 8 centimeter. Find the value of h. Now the area of the trapezium is 1 by 2 sum of parallel sides into height. 85 area is given is equal to 17h over 2. 17h is 170 and h is 10. So the height of the trapezium is 10 centimeters. Okay. Simplify 6x plus 15 minus 2x plus 8. So 6x minus 2x plus 15 plus 8, 6x minus 2x is 4x and 15 and 8 is 23. So 4x plus 23 is our answer. Expand and simplify x minus 5 whole square. So this is of the formula a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So that turns out to be x square minus 10x plus 25. So x square minus 10x plus 25 is our answer. Okay, insert the correct symbol is equal to, greater than, or less than to make each statement correct. 0.6 kg is greater than 60 grams. 15 kilometer is equal to 15,000 meters because 15 kilometers when converted into meters is 15,000 meters. So 15 kilometers is equal to 15,000 meters. 4 meters square is greater than 400 centimeter square. By writing each number correct to one significant figure, estimate the value of 362.4 minus 187.2 over 52.3. So that is 400 minus 200 over 50, that is 4 is our correct answer. Okay. In a survey, 3 out of every 100 women were taller than 1.9 meters. One of these 100 women is picked at random. Calculate the probability that she is not taller than 1.9 meter. Now the required probability is 1 minus 0.03, that is 0.97 or 97 over 100. Because 0.03 were taller than 1.9. So how many were not taller than 1.9 is 1 minus 0.03, that is 0.97 or 97 over 100. Okay, let's have a look at the other question, the part B. A new housing estate is being planned. There are 3 possible plans A, B and C. A survey was carried out to see which plan people preferred. The relative frequency table shows below the results below. 52 people preferred C. How many people preferred plan A? Now 52 divided by 0.2 is 260. 260 into 0.3 is 78. So 78 people preferred plan A. Calculate the total number of people surveyed. Let x be the total number of people surveyed. 0.2 x into 50 is equal to 52 and x is 52 over 0.2, that is 260. The total number of people surveyed is 260. Okay, let's have a look at another question. Bernard bought a game in the USA for $15. Alice bought the same game in Zambia and paid the equivalent price in Zambian kwacha. Now exchange rate is 1 Zambian kwacha is $0.075. Calculate the price that Alice paid. Now the amount that Alice paid is 15 over 0.075, that is 200 Zambian kwacha. She paid 200 Zambian kwacha. This is basically a question of exchange rate. Okay, let's have a look at another question. Two numbers x and y are such that x ratio y is 5 ratio 11 and x plus y is 112. Find x and y. Now x over y is 5 over 11, x plus y is 112, 5y is 11x. By using the method of simultaneous equations, x is equal to 5 over 11y. 5 over 11y plus y is equal to 112. We put it in this equation. 16y is 1232, y is 77 and x is 112 minus 77, that is 35. So x is 35 and y is 77. Okay, this is a term-to-term rule for a sequence. Multiply by 2 and add 3. The first 3 terms in the sequence are 1, 5 and 13. Write down the next term in the sequence. We will multiply this by 2, we get 26 and we add 3, so we get 29. So 29 is our answer. This is the term-to-term rule for a different sequence. Square and subtract 5. The second and third terms in the sequence are minus 1 and minus 4. Write down the fourth term in the sequence. We have to square minus 4, we get 16. And when we subtract 5 from 16, we get 11. Write down the 2 possible values for the first term in the sequence. They are 2 and minus 2. Because 2 times 2 square is 4 and 4 minus 5 is minus 1. So if the first term is 2, second term is minus 1. If the first term is 2 or minus 2, the second term is minus 1. These are some other questions. Okay, solve the simultaneous equations. Show your working. X plus 6y is 0, 3x minus 2y is 10. Now x is equal to minus 6y. Putting x is equal to minus 6y into the other equation, we get 3 into minus 6y minus 2y is 10. Minus 18y minus 2y is 10. Minus 20y is 10. Y is minus 1 by 2. And x is minus 6 into minus 1 by 2, that is 3. So the value of x is 3 and the value of y is minus 1 by 2. Okay, y is proportional to x minus 1 whole square. Given that y is 18 when x is 4, find y when x is 6. Now we have an equation y is equal to k times x minus 1 whole square. So 18 is equal to k times 3 whole square. 4 minus 1 is 3 whole square. So 9k is equal to 18. 3 square is 18. and k is 2. So y is equal to 2 into x minus 1 whole square. Now we have to find the value of y when x is 6. So 2 into 6 minus 1 whole square, 2 into 5 square is 25. So 25 into 2 is 50. So the answer is 50. This is a graph. You have to plot it on your own. You have to solve this on your own. Okay, let's have a look at another question. 3cx plus 2bx minus 6cy minus 4by. So x is the common over here. 3c plus 2b minus 2y is 3c plus 2b. So x minus 2y into 3c plus 2b is our answer, factored answer. 6x squared plus 7x minus 10. So that is 6x squared plus 12x minus 5x minus 10. 6x into x plus 2 minus 5 into x plus 2. So x plus 2 into 6x minus 5 is basically our answer. Okay, a car has a mass of 2400 kg, correct to the nearest 100 kilograms. A caravan has a mass of 1460 kg, correct to the nearest 10 kilograms. Calculate the lower bound for the total mass of the car and the caravan. Total mass is 2350 plus 1455, that turns out to be 3805. We have to find the total mass, the lower bound for the total mass of the car and the caravan. Okay, let's have a look at another question. A is equal to b square plus c over d. Find a when b is equal to 4 into 10 raised to the power 2, c is 6 into 10 raised to the power 3 and d is 2 into 10 raised to the power 2. Write your answer in standard form. A is 4 into 10 raised to the power 2 plus 6 into 10 raised to the power 3 over 2 into 10 raised to the power 2. When we simplify it, we get 8.3 into 10 raised to the power 2. Rearrange the formula to make b the subject of the formula. AD is b square plus c. B square is equal to AD minus c and b is square root AD minus c. Now m into 10 raised to the power 4 plus m into 10 raised to the power 2 is equal to 36,360. Work out m into 10 raised to the power 4 minus m into 10 raised to the power 2. That turns out to be 35,640. Try to solve on your own. Okay. Let's have a look at some of the questions. Now m is this, n is this, m minus n is this, because 5 minus 4 is 1, 1 minus minus 2 is 3, 2 minus 3 is minus 1 and 3 minus 0 is 3. Now let's have a look at part B. Find the value of c and the value of d. Now p is 2, 4, c minus 5, q is 3, 2 minus 2d and pq is this. Now pq is when we multiply p and q we get 6 minus 8, 4 plus 4d, 3c plus 10 and 2c minus 5d. So 3c plus 10 is equal to 19. 3c is equal to 19 minus 10, 9, c is 3. And 4 plus 4d is equal to 4 plus 4d is equal to 0. We equate the elements in the matrix. So 4d is equal to minus 4 and d is equal to minus 1. So the value of c is 3 and the value of d is minus 1.